this on? Hello? What's up, guys? And me and Dad are gonna go bowling.
We're gonna go boiling.
Bowling. Said bowling.
I'm pumped.
So am I.
Yo,
We're here.
we're going boiling. Just getting ready. We're gonna have some dude time, some bro time, some man on man, mano y mano.
I'm gonna beat you.
You're gonna beat me?
Yeah.
I honestly don't doubt that. You're basically good at everything and I'm terrible at everything. This is our lane.
I gotta make this.
You got yours? Is that the one you're gonna go with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro.
Pro? That's gonna be your name? Alright, start. Go for it, Pro. Come on. What? Oh my gosh. 9 on the first go. What? Oh my gosh. First go. Your first try, dude. Okay, Jude wasn't lying. He was not lying when he said he's gonna beat me. His first try, he gets a spare. Come on, man. Come on. Killing it. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see what I can do. All right? Wish me luck. Oh! That's how it's done. Strike. Woo! Still right. There you go. All right, bro, you got this. Go for it. You got it. It's all good, dude. So this is a little bit unfair right now because I am genuinely not a good bowler. I am just, it's all luck, pure luck. But I'm having a good game right now, so. I should probably let Jude win. He's so much better than me at everything else though, so a dad sometimes just needs to win, you know? Just has to win to show that he can do it, you know? Earn his son's respect, you know what I mean? There you go, bro. Nice. 9 banger right there. That was terrible. Terrible.
Okay, now you better miss this.
You wanna miss?
I'll tell Mom. Hey, I was gonna do that. You missed it. Haha, yes.
There you go. Nah.
He's a ballerina, guys. Missed that.
He's called the granny throw.
Wow.
video game, can you actually race a bike in outer space? Did you have fun tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? You enjoying your nice hot chocolate? I have a little iced coffee here because I'm a dad of 7, so I can pretty much drink coffee any time of day, and it doesn't affect me. I can go to sleep very easily. We asked on Instagram last night for people to give us some questions for Jude and me, and so we're going to answer them. A lot of people, Jude, wanted to let you know that you're an amazing big brother, like the best big brother ever. One person said, "Isn't Jude the perfect son?" And I will say, about as close to perfect as you can get. Seriously, dude, the way you love your brothers, the way you love your sisters, the way you love your mom and me is just amazing. Not to mention, you're unbelievably talented, gifted, humble, sweet, kind, compassionate. I love you, man.
Thank you, Dad. I love you too.
Hey, that's good. I'm glad you love me. So we're gonna get into some of these questions here. What's your dream job? We had several people ask. What do you want to do when you grow up, Jude?
I want to be
A soccer player. Now, here's the deal, and I'm not just saying this because I'm his dad. For most people, I would probably tell them if they wanted to be a soccer player when they grow up, they should consider a different alternative avenue of employment.
Yeah.
However, let me just say this, not just as a proud dad, but as an objective human being who has eyeballs and a brain. Jude, you could definitely be a soccer player when you grow up. This guy runs like a gazelle, so fast, so graceful. It's awesome. He played on a soccer league for a little bit, and the dude scored all the points. So, really, anything athletic, Jude could do it probably for a living, and it would work. Jude, what's your favorite thing about your dad? Now,
Well, there's a lot.
there's a lot. See, he's a good son.
Everything.
I like that answer. A lot of people are asking, does Jude remember much about being adopted? What was it like for him coming home from Ethiopia? We adopted him 7.5 years ago from Ethiopia. So July of 2011, that's when you guys came home. You were 5 years old. Do you remember anything? I mean, that's a long time ago for a 5-year-old to remember. Do you remember much?
I only remember a little bit, but I was 5. And so when the girls came to pick us up, me, Liam, Mom, Dad, me, and they opened the door and they jumped out to give me hugs, I was like, who the heck are these people? I thought it was just me, Dad, and Liam.
Are you talking about at the airport?
Yeah.
Yeah, at the airport. I still remember you guys coming home, and we pulled into the driveway, and you saw the house, and you were like blown away, and you immediately ran to the porch swing on our front porch and wanted to swing on it. And it was like the sweetest thing ever to watch you guys swing on that. You guys can watch some of their adoption story. We did a couple of vlogs about the boys' adoption story, but I just remember just how sweet you were even from the get-go, you know? Like, we always knew that you were going to be really sweet. At the same time, I kind of thought you were going to be a little bit more stubborn than you are, because I remember giving you a Spider-Man doll and then having to take it away for something, and you were like furious at me, and you wouldn't talk to me for like the whole day. And I was like, oh no, he's going to be our strong-willed child. I couldn't have been more wrong about that. Jude is the most compliant kid I think we have, actually. So helpful, man. You're awesome. What is Jude's favorite book? We got that a lot. Jude, you're a reader of readers.
Oh, yes.
Like, that's impressed a lot of people about Jude, seeing how much he likes to read. Not just reads because he has to, but you choose to read. What are you reading lately that you love?
I love a lot of books, and there's a series of them. I like The Land of Stories. That's kind of my favorite. I love that. And I like The School for Good and Evil.
One of the questions, how long would you say it took to form a strong father-son bond after the adoption? Honestly, with all of our kids, it's been pretty quick for me.
Well, I'm just saying that if you guys had Dad for your dad, you guys would be like, I love him.
What's your favorite worship song and band?
That is so easy. Dad. Awaken the Wonder from his new album.
Dude, you're just like commercial for me right now. My favorite song my favorite worship song right now is So Will I by Hillsong United. I'm actually doing a cover video for that song, so pretty excited about that. Myers-Briggs types. Jude, you've never done personality profile, have you? No. For me, I am an ENFJ, extroverted, feeling, just have a high capacity for people and for getting stuff done. If you do Enneagram, I'm an Enneagram 7 combined with an Enneagram 3, like even split down the middle on that. So that means I want to do everything and I want to accomplish everything, essentially, is what my personality type is. Jude, I'm guessing you're probably a 9, a peacemaker. That's what I think Jude is. I think that's his Enneagram. I would guess you're an INFJ. He's a little more introverted than I am, but we're very similar in a lot of ways too. So. Okay, we actually have time for one more question before we leave. And that question is, do you ever plan to go back to Ethiopia? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Definitely. Ethiopia is a beautiful country, beautiful culture, beautiful people, amazing food, just really, really fun. I don't know if you remember much about it.
Not really.
But it is amazing. We'd love to be able to go see their birth home, which is actually in a different part of Ethiopia than we met them. They were born in Harar and then went to Addis Ababa. People do ask, do they know any Ethiopian? Well, there are so many dialects that they never actually fully learned even one of the dialects while they were in Ethiopia.
We brought like a book to translate everything, and we read it with Mom, and I only remembered one. Makina.
When we were in Ethiopia, that you guys were obsessed with cars, and so anytime a car would go by, they'd go Makina, and they'd run after it. I love it. Yeah, I still like cars, but not nearly as much. You're more into sports now. All right, that's gonna be it for tonight. We're gonna head home. Have the best night.
Like, subscribe. Wait, no. Subscribe and throw that bowling pin into the like button. Yeah. That's good. I like that.